Alright, so I wanted some hot chocolate, and that's what I'm about to make with this cheap ass box cocoa mix from Walmart, as well as that chocolate that I used in the chocolate chip cookie recipe. I'll make sure I link that below. My trusty little kettle. I'm gonna put my water. But yeah, this chocolate chip is so good, you guys. It's really strong in cocoa flavor, and it also got hints of vanilla in it, so I really like it. So just build it like I'm building. And then look at God. Look what I found in my closet. So then you're just going to pour the hot water over your chocolate. You want to let it sit for about 30 seconds to 1 minute before you stir it up, just so it could be easier on you. Just let it sit for 1 minute. Then you're going to stir it up just like this. It's clear that you're going to see like the change in color. It's more rich. And it was also very rich in flavor. It was so delicious, y'all. Anyway, I'm going to top this with some marshmallows and get to town. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on my next video, which will be this coming weekend. Bye, y'all.